Hi, I want to talk to you today about a little extension that I have on my browser that makes such a massive difference to my daily work. It saves me an enormous amount of time, and of all the extensions that I have, it's the one that I use the most. Now, you might be like me, working online in the online space, and you need to consume a lot of video content, either to learn new things, looking at sales letters, or just generally looking at what's going on out there. Well, having this extension will absolutely revolutionize the way that you consume that content. Details coming right up. So, we all know that time is our most valuable asset, and that video is definitely the best way to consume content online. So the extension that I'm talking about is called Video Speed Controller. All right. To find the controller, you just type in Video Speed Controller to Google, and you will get taken to a page that looks like this. Now, as you can see, I've already got the extension added to my Chrome. It will have extensions for other browsers, so it's not just Chrome. So if you've got Firefox or Safari, you can get this extension put on them. So the way the controller works, it's actually got two ways of controlling it. The first way is buttons that are up in the top left-hand corner of the video, and they just have a minus, a plus, and arrows to go forward and back. And so you can control your speed there, stop, rewind, do things using those buttons. But the way I prefer to work with it is to use the little icon that you have up here in the top right hand corner. If you click on that, you will go to Settings. And in the Settings menu, you can see that you've got keys here. You have keys from your keyboard that control the video speed controller, and that makes a big difference. It's got a couple of other functions also added to it. The one that I really like is this one here called the preferred speed, where I can just push the key G on my keyboard and it'll take me automatically to the sped up speed that I enjoy, that I can consume these videos. For me, that's 1.5. So it means that if I'm listening to a 30-minute video, I can do that in 20 minutes. I saved myself 10 minutes. But if there are points in that video that I want to slow down, I want to pay attention to, I can easily just go back to the normal speed by pushing the R key, reset, and it'll just go back to normal. I can also, additionally, if there is some part of the video that I didn't quite hear what they said and I just want to jump back and hear it again, I can do that with a simple push of the Z key, and it'll just rewind, and it'll rewind to the amount that's preset here on this settings page, and that's 10 seconds. So it'll take me back 10 seconds. Now all of these are adjustable. You can set up your own preferences here and save them, and sort of customize the video speed controller for yourself. So I hope you can see how this is a tremendous asset for an extension to have on your browser if you are like me and you consume a lot of videos on a regular basis. It's a massive, massive time saver. Now, feel free to share this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you like these kinds of tips. And other than that, have a great day to your success.